to promote the Philippines as the strategic regional hub for smart and sustainability-driven industries. Meron din tayong pinapaka-focusan, which are yung electric vehicle, renewable energy, smart manufacturing, smart agriculture, semiconductors and electronics, data centers, telecom infrastructure, and cybersecurity. So from July 2022 to April 2024, we have a total of 2.368 trillion pesos of generated investments. So that is comprising 587 projects, equivalent to 42 billion worth of investments. So from, yes, dollars po siya. 42 billion worth of investment.